The internet is radically changing the music industry. The sheer amount of music available online is staggering. It can be a hassle to find music that you enjoy, but thankfully there are a lot of websites that provide that service, and each has its own distinct flair. Grooveshark is simple but effective. Search for a song and play the song. Its catalog is massive, its interface is straightforward, and you can stream unlimited amounts of music for free. Spotify is very similar to Grooveshark, although you must download an application to use it. Its interface is a little cleaner, but there are limits to how much music you can listen to for free. Also, it's very tightly integrated with Facebook, which for me has resulted in a huge amount of automatically generated posts on what my friends are listening to. Pandora has been around for a while, but remains quite popular. It's pretty restrictive on what you can do. You create stations based around an artist or genre, and can only skip a very small number of times per hour. Yet it does its job well, and recommends music that really does pertain to the station you've built. Mog is for the audiophiles. It streams most of its music at the highest bitrate of any of these sites, so it sounds fantastic. It also has a limited free offering and a huge library of songs, but not as many as Spotify or Grooveshark. Rdio is almost identical to Mog, although the library is smaller and the quality lower. Last.fm is one of the most robust sites for recommendations and information on artists. It includes a vast amount of data: biographies, tour dates, photos, and more. It also has apps to scrobble your music. Scrobbling is when the song you're listening to is sent to Last.fm and added to your profile. Last.fm can then use this information to recommend new music, or you can share it with your friends. Last.fm also includes a nice internet radio service similar to Pandora. SoundCloud is one of the greatest contributors to the distribution of indie music on the internet. In fact, it powers many other music discovery websites. Each song's waveform is visible and rendered as you play the track, and you can add comments at different points in the song to highlight something you particularly enjoy. Think of SoundCloud as the YouTube of music. Turntable FM is a recent and intriguing music streaming website. The concept is centered around rooms. Each room has 5 DJs who either upload music from their own computers or select tracks from Turntable's sizable library. Then the DJs take turns playing tracks, usually to a theme, like electronic, hip-hop, or rock. Listeners can rate tracks as lame or awesome. If a track gets enough lame votes, it's skipped, and the next DJ gets a turn. Turntable FM is a unique experience and is very fun to use. The community aspect makes you feel connected to the music, and you can hear both mainstream tracks and indie tunes you've never heard before. If you're looking for new and fresh indie music, check out We Are Hunted. It features a side-scrolling interface filled with 99 tiles, each a single track. The 99 songs are the current most popular based on social media coverage. It even includes a few tracks as free downloads. The 61 takes an even more focused approach. The entire screen is filled with artwork, photography, and information about the current track. You can skip tracks if you'd like, but you can always go back. The site describes itself as a musical adventure, and I believe it achieves that goal. If you'd like to experience the music scene from any particular city, check out City Sounds. You can select a city, or you can simply stream music from your own. 8 Tracks is a pretty self-explanatory music streaming site. Users create playlists of 8 or more different tracks, and listeners can subscribe if they enjoy the selection. There are seriously great mixes on the site, stuff that no algorithm would choose. Shuffler FM focuses on music blogs. For each song you play, it brings up a blog post talking about it. You can then read information on the artist or track as you listen. Shuffler is an active experience, and I wouldn't recommend it for running music in the background. This is by no means a comprehensive list of all the sites out there for listening to and discovering music. That's one of the great things about the internet and music. There's something out there to satisfy anyone's tastes. This episode of Tech Talk was partly inspired by the list of streaming sites on collegeinfogeek.com. Please visit their website for a list of 37 different choices. Thanks for watching Tech Talk. Please direct comments or questions to techtalk@stuartmerlantis.com. See you next time.